Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study Java language. To truly master Java, you must embrace a hands-on approach from day one. Start with the absolute basics, like variables, data types, and control structures. Don't just read about them. Type out examples, modify them, and see what happens. This active engagement is crucial for solidifying your understanding and building a strong foundation in programming principles. Once you grasp the fundamentals, immediately apply them by building small, functional projects. This could be a simple calculator or a text-based game. When your code doesn't work as expected, don't get discouraged. Instead, view it as an opportunity to learn. Debugging is an essential skill, helping you understand program flow and logic. Embrace the process of finding and fixing errors, as it significantly deepens your knowledge. As you progress, delve into more advanced Java topics, especially object-oriented programming concepts like inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. These are pillars of Java development. Make it a habit to read the official Java documentation. It's an invaluable resource. Furthermore, connect with other Java developers online or in person. Sharing knowledge and asking questions within the community can accelerate your learning journey immensely. The Java ecosystem is constantly evolving, so commit to continuous learning. Keep an eye on new Java versions and their features to ensure your skills remain current. Consider contributing to open-source projects. It's an excellent way to collaborate and gain practical experience. Remember, the journey to mastering Java is continuous. Stay curious, keep building, and never stop exploring new possibilities. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, look for the link in the description below. Happy coding!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.